Companies covered by the CCPA are accountable for their handling of California residents' personal information. This includes having data inventory, data protection policies, awareness training, and having relevant documents on how data is processed. If companies fail to process a California individual's data in the correct way, or if there's a security breach, it can be fined up to $7,500 per intentional violation. Data brackets can help companies easily and efficiently comply with CCPA requirements by reviewing all of the key CCPA requirements against their existing processes, technology, and documentation. In addition, Data Bracket's CCPA package provides easy-to-use templates, training, and other relevant forms to implement any missing controls. You can comply with CCPA requirements either by leveraging our DIY platform or having one of our certified professional consultants complete it for you. Request for a free quote now